what we are gonna do is we are gonna make movie from a PSD file. From fine. So first thing which is needed to make a movie is a PSD file, but obvious. So you required a PSD file. So what we'll do is we'll make one square image. So file, new. Let's make uh, as it is only going to use for social media purpose. Will not go for bigger size. So I think this is more than sufficient. Get it? This is my square image. Let me choose some good color for the background. So this is nice. Alter backspace, right? For doing this. Now this is the PNG which I have already prepared. So we'll simply drag this. Okay. Control T is the command to make the adjustment with your layer. Now this is my image. Now it don't looks good as it is actually transferred. So let's transform it so that it will look proper. So now this is quite good. Are you getting? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now white color, like black color is not good. We'll make it white. How to make it white? Can someone tell me? Do you know? Hello? Anyone?
મેજિક મેજિક ટૂલ થી સિલેક્ટ કરી દઉં સિલેક્શન માં વ્હાઈટ કલર હતો
Sama?
મેજિક ટૂલ થી સિલેક્ટ કરો એ સીવા લખેલું છે તે ને વ્હાઈટ કલર માં દેવું ઉપર એમ
I am not that much Navra. Next, any other suggestion?
Con-
Sono, એટલું તો કીધું. He is right.
control
હેલો
delete.
કંટ્રોલ
Control.
કંટ્રોલ બેકસ્પેસ દબાવો કંટ્રોલ બેકસ્પેસ અને કલર સિલેક્ટ કરી લો
એવું બધું બી નહીં કરવું. ચાલો. Very simple solution when you are having a. If you want a totally transferred color, like invert color, you are having the option of invert. Simple. It is from black and white. So why to go for all these things? So this is the option that you can go for. Get it? Yeah.
યસ સર
Hello. Yeah.
હા
So
સર
in case if you directly want to change color, this is the option. Otherwise, for make your random and your particular color, you need to go for that selection or masking technique, right? Other than this, if you want to do color change, you can go here, choose solid color, right? I have selected this color, apply the clipping on this layer, and you will get your desired color. This is another technique that you can utilize. Get it? If it is a PNG. If it is not a PNG, you need to go for selection tool. You need to select all the content and then you need to apply your color, whatever color you would like to apply. But for now, this is quite good and looks nice. So go for this. This much stuff is clear. Hello.
યસ
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. If you want to make a video, you need to make a timeline first. So what you want to show. So what I would like to show is this is my image, final image. Okay, and what I would like to show is first my background will come. Okay, let me give some border because it is not looks good. So how to give border, by the way? મારે આમાં border આપવી છે. How to give the border? Hello, answer me.
નથી ખ્યાલ સાહેબ
હા,
નથી ખ્યાલ
નથી ખ્યાલ. પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી હોય તો ખ્યાલ હોય ને. ચાલો કઈ નહીં, એ તો હું બતાવું. બીજું કોઈને ખ્યાલ થશે ને? સુમિત,
સ્ક્વેર ડ્રો કરો પછી ઉપરની સાઈડ ફિલ છે ત્યાં ક્લિક કરો
સ્ક્વેર ડ્રો કરું ભાઈ, ફિલ ડ્રો કરું. સ્ક્વેર કેવી રીતે ડ્રો કરું?
સ્ક્વેર ટૂલ થી
સ્ક્વેર ટૂલ એવું કે ટૂલ નહીં આવે, શેપ આવે.
હા શેપ થી
હા, okay. So you are right, but you don't need to do that much work. Simply select your shape. Now this is my shape. Fine. Give the no color because we don't want any color. Control T for transform. So come here, Control T. Okay, make it smaller. This is done. Okay, choose selection tool. Okay, sorry, the move tool. Make sure that your rectangle is selected, and here you are having the option, but it is not get moved. Why? Because you are not having any stroke. So let's choose this shape again. Okay, I want to give the border. Which color border? But obvious says it is white, so we'll give white border. So white border, size of my border should be 5 pixel, more than sufficient. Enter. So now, as you can see, this is my border, but it is not in center. So how to make it center? Select the area that you would choose to make your frame center. Go to your selection suite. Sorry, first tool. Make sure that your rectangle is selected. Choose this. Choose this. Now it is in center, and it is in center, but Shiva looks a little bit bigger. So make it little bit smaller. Okay, done. Get it? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is what I want as my final image, but I want this thing in animation form, right? So that's why I want to make the MP4 file from this PSD. So now for that, as I said, if you want to make any movie, you need to first create your timeline. Fine. So my timeline would be like this. First, background will come. On that, we'll put the frame. Then Shiva will come. Then that design will come, and at the end, I want to give that stroke. Get it? This is what I want to do. You get the flow. First background will come, then frame will come, then Shiva, the text will come, then the design will come, and at the end I want to give a stroke. So this is what I want to do. So for that you need to make that many layers. But obviously the number of things that you would like to do, that many layers you need to prepare in your Photoshop file as usual. So now I want to make this as a separate layer, this thing as a separate layer, and this thing as a separate layer. So how can you make that? Very simple. Select your layer, Control C, Control V. This is my new layer. Control T, adjust the same thing on particular proper space. Select this, do this, and delete. So now this is my separate layer. Get it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now this is done. So this is okay. Now again choose second layer. I want this stroke as my separate layer. Now as it is crossed, so you can't go for direct tool. So go for this basic selection. Command C, Command V. In your case, this is Control. Right? Go make it on proper location. Done. And select your layer 2 again. Do this. Okay. Delete. So bottom layer get deleted. Now as you can see, if I remove these two layers, so I am having now total 5 layers, and I want these 5 things should come in a flow of animation. Get it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Now what
Yes,
you are
sir.
supposed to do is, when you want to save this thing, you need to save it as PNG file. Okay. As far as Adobe Premiere Pro is concerned, you can directly save this PSD file and you can directly import in Adobe Premiere Pro, and all the layers will come as a separate layer, as you can see right now. Same way it will be imported into your Adobe Premiere Pro. But currently I am not having Adobe Premiere Pro, and my computer's capacity is not to handle Premiere Pro. So we'll do the animation on LumaFusion on iPad. So for that purpose, we need PNG file. It is as simple as that. We need 5 PNG files, same 5 layers. Get it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we'll do is, first I want background only, right? So select your background, go to file, save as, desktop, and one dot, what you want? PNG file. So make it PNG, save, done. Now in next layer you don't want this, you want only frame. So though it is white color, it is available. You are not able to see because of your screen, might be. But now my second layer is selected. Save as, go to your desktop, give the number 2, and save it as PNG file. Same way you need to save all 5 images. Get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have already created these images and I have already transported all the images to my iPad. So we'll show you all that images. First, let me stop this sharing here. Okay. Now come back here. So let me share the screen. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now if I go to photos, as you can see, this is my first layer which I told you. Now it contains nothing, but it is a white border. That's why you are not able to see this. Fine. This is Shiva. This is that design, and this is the stroke which I want. So I am having that 5 PNG available with me now. Done? Yes. मतलब बोलो नहीं?
Yes.
સર બોલતા જ છે.
હા, okay. મને એવું લાગે હું સ્ક્રીન જ ભણાવતો છે એટલે. Okay. Now we'll go to Luma Fusion. Okay. It is same as any other software. Delete. Yes. Okay. Create your new project. The project. Currently we have prepared the image in a square size. So your video size should also be square. So select the 1:1 ratio. Okay. You can give any name. Uh, I am not interested in giving any name, so make it project one. Create it. Now it is created. Go to photos, right? All photos and videos. Now at a time, import only one frame so that we can work on it. So this is my first frame. Import it. Now it is imported. Now as you can see, currently it is of 2 seconds. So make sure that what is the size of your video that you would like to make. Currently our animation is quite short, so we'll not go for bigger video, we'll simply go for 5 seconds video. So we'll increase it to 5 seconds. Now based on the tool, the way of changing the size and timing of your frames will get changed, but the logic will remain same. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so now this is my normal video. It will look like this: 5 second, 5.1 second, right? Now I want to give little bit of effect to this. So double click on this. You can give any effect. There is a concept called keyframe, so you need to make sure that keyframe is selected. Let's give some effect called, suppose, vintage effect. So let me put it here from the scratch. Okay, we'll start with happy. Add one keyframe. Forward it little bit. After 1 second, I want to put one more keyframe. Make it light. After 1 second, I would like to add one more keyframe. Make it vintage. After 1 second, add one more keyframe. Vintage 2. 1 more second. Chalo, let's do it. Add one more keyframe and add vintage 2. Now how it will look like, let's see. It will look like this. Are you able to see animation?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So I think this is quite good. So this is done. We go to our time frame. This is called time frame in any software, right? So now my time frame is ready, and you can see it will be look like this for 5 second clip. Fine. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, what you want? You want frame. So this is my frame. So let's insert it. Now as you can see, it is inserted here, but we want in a separate layer because it should be in the form of layer. So I have make it another layer. Fine. Again, as your video size is 5, so all layers should be of 5 seconds compulsorily. So this is done. Why it is smaller? Because of these. So initially, 1 minute. Hello. Hello. બોલો નહીં ક્યાંથી જમી લીધું ભણાવો લેક્ચર ચાલે ચલો. So Now initially I want people to see only black thing, then they should see this frame, but our frame direct આવી ગઈ એટલે આપણને direct frame જોઈતી નથી. So we'll do something with this. So let's go here. Okay, what we'll do with frame, we can do something like, let me see some effect, if we'll have some effect. It is not much effects, right? So if we go with this, okay, this would be better. We'll directly give some effect. Put one cursor here. Okay, add one keyframe over here at half of the, this is too much, so let's take it here, add keyframe, and here. Okay, so first of all go here, select which kind of input you want. Rotation is not there, I don't know why. Chalo, let's do zoom in. So okay, it will look like this, but this is we don't want. So what can we do? It will increase like this. So here what we'll do is, okay, we'll not change this. Okay, we'll remove this size. Okay, then it will look good. Keyframe is already there here. Okay, so add the keyframe, done, and then here add one more keyframe and make it our normal frame as it should be. So whatever effect you would like to give, you can give like this. So now let's see how it works. Okay, મજા આવી નહીં, because after this point okay, so what we'll do, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay, so better to go with size frame, right? Instead of giving any effect, reset all. Okay, add one frame, add this frame, I want to look like this. Here add one more frame, it will look like the original one. Okay, and then we don't want to do anything, so it will look like this. This is quite good. Done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see now how total it will look like. Good. Yeah. ની હારું લાગતું તો બી હારું જ કેવું પડે, મને તો કંઈ થયું જ નથી. You need to learn it. So this is the second thing. Now next we would like to add a layer, right? So let's take this, import it. It will come here, change it in a new layer. Okay, once the frame gets set, we'll insert the name Shiva. So where that, see here it will get locked. So by clicking on this you can make it unlock and you can move it wherever you want to move. So as you can see here, your frame will get set. So after this point you can put your layer, stretch it till the end. Okay, nice. Now as it looks very simple, we'll give some effect. Effect is depending on you, whatever kind of effect you would like to give, you can give. So currently I am not focusing on much stuff. We'll start with Gaussian blur, we'll add it. Okay, then here also we'll add it and we'll make it less. Then again here we'll go, we'll add one frame, we'll make it like this. We'll go further, we add keyframe, and make the radius 0. So it will look like original. Now let's see how it looks. So it will look like this. Good. Hello. So now my
Yes, sir.
head will look like this. Yeah. So this much thing is clear. Now I want to add that effect. So let's choose this, put it, okay, shift it on fourth layer. Okay. Now you need to decide where you would like to start this. वो पाछड़ कराओ ये भी मजा ना खेले. When it gets lighter, we'll put it here and we'll make it full. And for that also we'll give the same effect because I am right now not in a mood to make some changes. Now go here, give the effect of, see you can give any kind of effect. Mm, okay, cancel, 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 original, right? Okay, now here wait a minute. Okay, now this thing should be okay. Open it, make it here. Okay, now let's give some good effect. Add a keyframe here, add a keyframe, make the radius lesser, move more further, make a keyframe, make it like this, add a keyframe, and make it complete. Done. Now let's see how it will look like. So it will look like this, and this is quite good. So finally, how our video will look like, check it out. I think this is good. Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and finally, you need to add your last layer, stroke, insert it, make sure that you can put it on a right path. So this is actually very early. Once the, yeah, it will get ready, we'll make a stroke. So this is it. Okay. Now keep it here. Okay. We'll start with black. Suppose we'll make something like this. X-ray, add the keystroke, put it here, right at half place, make the adjustment and blend it 0. So now it will look like this, from black to white. So this is it, done. So my video is ready. Now you can see it will look like this. Done.
Yes.
Now simply you need to save it as movie, right? You can save it anywhere, suppose photos. In a setting you can have multiple choice. You can set the bit rate, you can set, normally H264 is the standard for MP4. So at many of the software MP4 is not directly written, but in that case you need to select H264. That is the standard for MP4 file. Get it? And we'll export it. Normally this process is called rendering, and it will take lots of time if your PC is not good. So here it get rendered very fast, but in normal scenario it may take time, right? So make sure that you can render properly at the end. Okay, now if we go to the movie, and let's see, this is a 5-second movie, and as you can see, it will look like this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, what is missing? Music is not there, right? So you can add the music if you would like to add. Fine. And here you can set the volume and everything, and you can put the music. I have already make one video on Teachers Day, right? So you can see the same concept. This is made using some. Okay, let me search. I have make one more animation also. Is it available or not? Okay, currently it is not available, but what we can do is we'll play this. This is also made in the same software. Fine. So are you able to see, like, here the volume?
Oh, sir.
Because it is not possible right now in this, but you can do all these things with your, what you can say, software. So this is it. Fine. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what we have seen today is we have prepared animated video MP4 file from a PSD file. Here, as this is an iPad and it is not allowing PSD file to import directly, but if you prepare a PSD file and you can save it as a .psd file, you can directly import this same file into your Adobe Premiere, right? And you can do the same stuff, same. Decide the time frame, make the layers, do the arrangement on starting layers, and your video will look like this. Fine. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot. So I want you people to make a small video of BMIT logo or anything. You just need to make your PSD file first. You can prepare a video. You can put some nice background music. While putting the music, make sure that it is not copyrighted. Otherwise, it will create issue on YouTube as well as while spreading also. So choosing a music itself an issue. So make sure that it is a non-copyrighted music. Fine. And try to make the videos of 1 and 2 seconds. Also, video માટે Premiere Pro install કરવું પડશે? No, it is not compulsory. You can make this kind of same kind of stuff in Filmora also. The concept is remain same. You need to give effects on Filmora, right? That's it. So if you are able to install Filmora in your laptop, that is more than sufficient. No need to install Premiere Pro or other software, right? It is actually quite heavier and it requires multiple core mainly. If your CPU is not supporting multiple core, and if you're having 10 GB of RAM, still it will take lots of time to get rendered, right? So better go for Filmora, or if someone is having this kind of software, you can go with this. The concept is remain same. You need to simply make PNG file. In case PSD will not work, make different PNGs and you can do this. It is not difficult. Fine. So this is it for today's session. Do practice. We'll send the recording soon. Okay. Bye bye.